Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting credentials and the right runtime. Sign in, copy your API key, and set replicate API KEY in your shell so tools can authenticate. Install Python 3, 8+, or Node. JS because examples rely on those runtimes, pick the one you know. Next, pick a model on replicate and record its slug and version ID. This tells your code which model to call. Once done, you'll be ready to make your first API request and see outputs immediately. Now you'll make calls and handle responses. Use the official replicate client or curl, include authorization, token plus your API key so requests authenticate. Post JSON with the model version, input fields, and wait. Some predictions are async, so poll the prediction endpoint until status is succeeded. Stream outputs if the model supports it to reduce latency. Make sure your inputs match the model's required types and size limits, because mismatched schemas cause predictable failures and slow debugging. Finish by saving outputs and building resilience into your workflow. Store results to disk or a database, and wrap API calls with error handling and retries. Use exponential backoff for rate limits. Optimize cost by batching requests, reducing input payloads, or choosing lower-cost model versions once quality is acceptable. If something breaks, check logs and confirm replicate API KEY and model slugs are correct. Reproduce the issue with the smallest possible request to isolate the problem and fix it.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.